Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Safari and going straight to the tab overview so you can act immediately. Look for the darker private tabs and note which windows are in private mode. Once visible, close any private tabs you don't need by swiping or clicking the close button. This prevents accidental retention of private sessions. Make sure extensions aren't hiding tab controls. If controls are missing, toggle the toolbar view so you can manage tabs directly and prepare to exit private browsing. Now you exit private mode explicitly so Safari stops isolating data. On iPhone or iPad, tap the private button and then done to return to normal tabs. This merges your session back into regular browsing. On a Mac, open a new window or tab through the File menu or Command N. That creates a standard window outside of private mode. Once done, check the toolbar and address bar color and behavior to verify you're in normal mode, which allows history and cookies to resume. Finally, make sure Safari won't default to private browsing. On iOS, open Settings, go to Safari and review privacy and security toggles. Turn off overly restrictive settings that mimic permanent private sessions. On Mac, open Safari Preferences, visit the Privacy tab, and disable options that block cookies or site data if you want normal history recording. Restart Safari to apply changes and then browse a page. Make sure history is recorded. If history still doesn't appear, clear caches and restart the device as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.